it's important that an ERP system provides deep insight into the business and how it is actually performing. The products that are making profit for us, the customers that are making profit for us, and how those trends and changes are taking place within the business. You've got a powerful tool set to give you information about what you need to buy, when you need to buy it, and what you need to make and when you need to make it. It means that you are able to perform to your customers to provide the right level of service, but do it at the least cost. The ability to actually manage quality throughout the entire operation can give a real edge to a business. If you can actually look at the quality as goods come into the business, trace the material as it goes throughout the entire process, quality recording at each individual stage with corrective actions can really mean that a significant increase in the quality of the output. By capturing non-conformance information, it means that we can actually identify the root cause of that particular problem. We can look back at the suppliers that have been causing problems or the operators that have been causing issues on the shop floor, which means we can tighten that down and improve quality further. Products naturally evolve throughout their life cycle, so it's important to have an effective engineering change process in the business. One of the most important factors is actually looking at what the effect is of that engineering change. So tools that will allow you to actually drill in and say, if I'm upgrading from product version 1 to product version 2, what is the impact of this? Can be a real winner and a real time saver. Businesses today are manufacturing a broader and broader range of products. This means that you may be engineering to order, using lean manufacturing and Kanban principles, or making to stock. In another part of the business, you may be using process or batch manufacturing. All of these can be accomplished within the single Dynamics AX model. With margins tight, it's important to realise the exact costs that are taking place within the business. So effective shop floor control, where we're recording the actual time spent on each and every individual task, means that we've got that level of insight into what is actually costing us to make things within the business. This means that effectively you can see where the products are making profit for you and which ones are actually making perhaps a loss, meaning you can focus your product range much more successfully. It also means that you've got insight into the resources that may be causing business issues. For example, people that may be working slower or machines that may be working slower than you anticipated or expected. Compliance is becoming an increasing burden on business, and to better manage that can mean reducing costs within the business. So to have tools that allow you to actually show to auditors that will actually map out the business processes step by step and show them that you've also taken consideration of the risks of each compliance step. And on top of that, to also show them the mitigation plans and the test plans against that can be a real winner. Workflow is a key factor in managing compliance. To be able to set up a business process on the system that actually guides the actual tasks that need to be completed and the approval actions at the stages that they need to be completed. It gives the business insight into exactly where a particular process is, and everybody knows the stages that they've got to do and how they're going to address them.